Welcome to Quizora Daily, one challenge every day. Are you ready? In today's quiz, you'll see 10 exotic birds. Try to guess each one before the answer is revealed. Let's start with the first bird. It's a paradise tanager, a brightly colored bird found in the tropical forests of South America. Next bird. It's a Nicobar pigeon, a rare pigeon known for its shiny metallic feathers. All right, next bird. It's a rainbow lorikeet, a colorful parrot famous for its bright rainbow-like feathers. Let's move on to the next one. It's a sun conure, a small parrot known for its bright yellow and orange colors. Let's move on. It's a great hornbill, a large tropical bird famous for its massive curved beak. Ready for another one? It's a secretary bird, a tall bird of prey known for hunting snakes on the ground. Let's move on. It's a hyacinth macaw, the largest flying parrot in the world, known for its deep blue feathers. Here comes the next one. It's a golden pheasant, a beautiful bird known for its bright golden and red plumage. All right, next bird. It's a mandarin duck, a colorful duck famous for its stunning and unique feathers. And now, the final bird. It's a resplendent quetzal, a legendary bird from Central America known for its long green tail feathers. How many did you get right? Subscribe for more daily challenges.